Hello folks, welcome to Botley, northeast of Southampton.
There's a fox down there. Look at that. Don't see that often. I wonder if he's going to come out again. Maybe he's found something. There goes one. Oh, hang on. It's maybe two of them. 1 minute. And out the other side. Amazing. That was good timing. I wish I'd got it a little bit earlier. You missed some of that, but yeah, we got it. So as we go back down the road, that's my direction. Come and have a look. We'll take a look at their farm just now. I'll take you there. Yeah, this one over here. Beautiful, great big trees. Around about September, I'd imagine it'd be acorn season. In South Africa, we harvest the acorns. You can grind them up for flour or roast them for coffee beans as the need may be. I believe during the Anglo-American Civil War, they used the acorns of the oak tree as a source of food and drink in replacing coffee, because I think the trade in coffee was pretty much monopolized by the British in those days. But here we are. Someone walking the dog. Is that a dog? My goodness, that's a tiny animal.
But isn't this red brick building just absolutely lovely? Fortunately, it's being preserved, but there are parts that have been fenced off because they're a public hazard. Some of them are crumbling, but it is being restored ultimately.